Hello, pumpkins. You each get one treat. Hello. Are you two supposed to be chicken buckets? Enjoy these delicious treats. Here you go. Hello. Are you two Stitch? Hello. You two painters look familiar. Are you sure you haven't been here before? Well, if you say so. Hey, little minions. I have these goodies for you. We have Pinocchios. You two look similar to these painters we had before. What do we have over here? A lion and a panda? I swear I've seen you two before. Wait, you guys have been here before.